Do you want to make this kind of shot? I think a turntable could be a great addition to my current setup to make better content. So I decided to make one, but I wanted it to be controlled by my computer. So I took a stepper motor, a stepper motor driver, an Arduino Nano, and a power supply unit. First step is to add connectors at the end of each wire. I begin with the stepper motor ones. Now I can connect them to the stepper motor driver. Let's do the same with the wires connecting the Arduino Nano to the stepper motor driver. I connect the wires according to this diagram. Then I can take care of the power supply unit. I use an extra wire to connect the ground of the power supply unit to the ground of the Arduino Nano. Then I configure the driver like this. After some cable management, here is the result. And finally, I had this 3D printed part. So I can go to my computer, upload the last GRBL firmware into the Arduino Nano, and launch Universal G-Code Sender. Let's send a simple command. And it seems it's working.